Okay guys, welcome back to this channel where we talk about making money online. So let's go straight into it and show you guys how to build a fortune on the internet. Okay guys, so today we're gonna talk about Upwork. It's a website where you find jobs online. It has all sorts of jobs. So you just have to sign up and they'll just ask you if you're a client or a freelance. This website just brings together hiring clients and freelance dudes who want work. So if you want work, this is your place. Just say I'm a freelancer and apply as a freelancer. And then you have to fill in your details and your email. Just use your names. Just agree that you understand the Upwork terms and services, including the user agreement and privacy policy. Yeah, just to tell them that you're sure and get along with everything. And you really have to understand, by the way. So I just received the verification on my email. Just gonna check my email. And here is the email, just for verifying. They want to be sure, that's just why. And you know guys, you have to be careful on the internet. So that's why there's all these tapes of verifying, going through stuff like that. Your account is getting ready. So, the thing is, you can just upgrade your profile after setting up your account. You can upload a resume or you can import your LinkedIn profile. In this case, I just upload my profile. You can drag and drop it there. I'm in your resume. Just continue. And notice that when you get in front there, it will get some skills from your document. You can see here, this graphic design, editorial, and presentation design, Adobe After Effects, stuff like that. Music, and you can edit this. And they just tell you to add an experience, or if you don't have an experience, you can just check that. There's nothing to add, or you can check that and go ahead and add your experiences. You can say, for example, you're a software engineer, which company you worked for, where is it located, city, country, whatever. And the other thing is you can just tell the span of time you worked there, or if you're still working there, and they just ask you when you started. And you got to give a job description here. We just put out anything to help you understand, so that we can move on. You can just say that you are self-employed. You can state the name of your company, whatever position your title was. Continue. Go ahead and add your education. And notice that if you have multiple experiences across different companies and different jobs, you can just add on a new experience. Okay. The next stuff is education. Of course, you have to put it there. Say your university, probably have a master's, but you don't need to have one. They really don't care. This is just for showing how the stuff works, or a bachelor's. You can even have high school degree. They don't care. People from there, because every job we just specify what it needs, like from a worker. Fields of study, say art. It can be art. And just describe. Notice that you can put on also multiple academic experiences. And they'll just ask you how many languages you speak. Notice this. This was just in my resume there. So they picked all of this. Because you might be asking yourself, do they automatically fill in these languages? Why the hell did they choose Russian? Greek? Who learns Greek in today's world? Me. I just learned Greek and Russian. Currently learning German. So notice that it's important to put in your CV or your LinkedIn account. It just helps you with continuing. Just minimizes the task for you. So have it prepared, or if you don't have it prepared, don't worry. You can do it manually. All of these are just the skills that are in my CV. So they just went in and picked in some things, and they just want to know which skills I want to highlight on my profile. So I want to highlight After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, video editing. Specifically this. This is the stuff I want to get a job in. So I've got to highlight those. I've got some psychology skills, because I read psychology a lot. And you can also put as many skills as you want. It's just how you write about yourself, what you want people to know about you. And notice that there are some mistakes in my CV, and I can correct them with Grammarly. I have Grammarly installed. So they don't just take things and upload them directly without asking you. They just want you to review. You get it? This is no longer needed. And you've got to edit some stuff depending on where you're applying. So on this platform, I just want people to see my art skills. How this stuff works. So what are the main services you offer? So you've got to choose. There's a span of services here. So mine is this, design and creative. Which one? Art and illustration. So I've got to order them depending on the value I give them, or in which I specialize myself. I'm actually specialized in logo design. So I've got to be honest. I love these other stuffs, but and the good thing is that they're all linked. Nobody will have an issue saying, oh dude, these are many stuff. These things are a lot bigger in number. But say, if I told them I can design a logo for you, I can do some illustrations you need to go with it, and I can just help you to animate it. All that in one package. You don't have to run too many people, and that just helps you to sell yourself. So it can be problematic, but it all depends on how you describe yourself. Get it? Now you're gonna go to the salaries. How much do you get? Do you want to work for? Hourly. You can say $80 if you want. Notice that Upwork services and their fees, they take 20% on the first salary you get. So here is a table of how they work. The first $500, they just take 20, okay? And above that, just take 10%. Above 10K, they take only 5%. It's quite fair. At the end of the day, you're not paying to have an account on this website like LinkedIn. Notice that LinkedIn is also open here. My LinkedIn profile. So I have to pay for premium LinkedIn to access some great features out there, but I don't have to pay for anything here on Upwork. So I guess you see the difference, because they tend to be quite similar in some stuff. So let's just move on. And you're just gonna have to upgrade your location, stuff like that. Have to upload a picture. You cannot continue without a profile picture on this site, actually. Let me just put any picture. And then you can check your profile. It's pretty much like the last step, and then you're in. So to just bring you back to the whole details for you to review. These are the language. So I can read Russian and Greek, but I cannot hold a conversation. But I think it's something useful to put there. So submit and make sure there are no mistakes, because you could have edited that. And again, you can also edit it in the future, because you got to upgrade your profile. So you can view your profile again, or you can just go straight into jobs. Okay. And here they propose you jobs you might like. Here the After Effects stuff. So notice that these jobs normally disappear in the time of 24 hours. And notice that they just tell you the amount of payment, how long it's gonna last, how much time you're gonna be working in the week. So this website is very organized, dude. And notice that they are verified payments. Okay? So they're not scam, don't be worried. No worries. And you're not gonna be paying something before getting a job. And this guy wants a YouTube video editor. He has a budget of $2,200. Here's the job description. 5 to 8 minutes video, 1 video per day minimum, and 30 videos per month. Okay? Just so specific. I'm willing to pay higher rates for the most experienced freelancers. So you see this dude? It's cool, isn't he? So I normally like to finish up stuff. Okay? Let's put a cover letter here. Another dude must be ready to write a cover letter. Upload some stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is that you can choose how much time you want to work. And yeah, this just put on some stuff for them to see. They just want to see what we have done. Okay. And just send it. Okay. You can submit, and then they'll just give you a notification via your email for more details. And they'll just tell you if they hired you or not. So I don't want to submit because I put on some unserious details there. Just tell them that you understand stuff and then submit. And guys, notice that you also have to set up a payment method. Don't miss this one important detail. See, there's billing and payment when you go in settings. So you just have to fill it. Fill your card there. Your debit card, your credit card, whatever. If you can be a Visa card, or you can also use PayPal. Okay, that's it for today. And remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, thank you for being here, and let's hope that in the future you'll come back telling us how stretched your accounts got and how deep your pockets grew.